Hi there, this is another Saber demo. This is the Tron Legacy Baton slash Katana. It's built out of MHS parts. I debuted it a couple of years ago, and this is a kind of like updated version of it. So the Saber electronics have been changed a little bit. It's got a 18650 lithium ion and a crystal shard version 2.5. It's got two LED switches up here, anti-vandals. The powder coating is textured. For anybody that hasn't seen the original video, these are rare earth magnets. This was set up to be like a costume saber. If you were into Tron Legacy, you could put a blade holder right here and then put some other rare earth magnets to line up on your thigh and kind of just slap it in and it would stay. Obviously the blade plug would help a lot, but the magnets were meant to make it slap into place properly. Not that I ever got around to doing that costuming, but you never know. Somebody might be interested in this and want to buy it, hopefully. The main LED is a Tri-Rebel. It is a cool white, and a lime for the flash on clash. The settings are adjustable, and it's an in-hilt recharge hilt too. You can do it back here, and there is the rice port right there.
Tron Legacy.
And this is Novastar's Tron Legacy font. Sounds a lot better with the blade in. Now you can change fonts. There's 6 on here, and I just kind of put my favorite ones on it. And this is a regular Jedi font. That was Legacy Imperial Knight.
There has been an awakening.
This is Awakening.
Have you felt it?
It's a Kylo font. Flourish by Mad Cow. Hero.
Tron Legacy.
Okay, we're back to 0. Now, with the rice capabilities, you could actually mix in some lime into one of the whites if you wanted to do that, to make it a slightly different color for each font. SD card access is via the Pommel. Obviously, this is a turn key.
Tron Legacy.
Kill key. You don't have to keep it in there. I just keep it in here because of I leave them completely off when they've been sitting for a while. So it's just been sitting there. Okay, And there's your SD card access right there. You just simply put your finger in and pop that out and take it out with some tweezers. And that's your chassis that holds everything very securely and, you know, ready to go. Once you hear that, go ahead and start turning it back this way. All the threads on this have been put with TCSS grease, so you shouldn't have any binding. Okay, thank you for looking. Later.